And it will interest you to know that more men than women are affected by HIV, but they are unaware of the early signs of this HIV. Hi, good day guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's really good to see you again. Yeah, you're highly welcome. So today I'll be talking about the early signs of HIV in men. Yeah, what is HIV? HIV simply means human immunodeficiency virus. This is when the immune system is unable to fight a virus due to lack of lymphocyte. It thereby giving you room to various kind of diseases. So that is what HIV means, the human immunodeficiency virus. Yeah, and it will interest you to know that more men than women are affected by HIV, but they are unaware of the early signs of this HIV. The first early sign is flu-like condition. Yeah, you always feel like sneezing, cold. The flu symptom is always in you, and the second one is fever. Yeah, when someone is infected with HIV, you see this fever-like condition. You always run temperature, very high temperature, associated with some pain, some sore throats. You always have joint pains. So fever is another symptom of an early HIV in men. And the third sign is the rash in the skin. Yeah, this is a popular or the most common sign of early signs of HIV in men. There's always these rashes on the skin that comes in different colors, some red, some come in a peely form. The next early sign of HIV in men is the dry cough. Yeah, you all will agree that dry cough sucks. Yeah, you're coughing but you're not saying anything, no mucus, nothing, but you keep on coughing. It's an early sign of HIV in men. Yeah, this consistent cough that you can't even resist. Or one of the early signs of HIV is fatigue. So they always experience this tiredness, or some might even want to sleep but they can't even sleep. Yeah, tiredness, restlessness. So it's also an early sign of HIV in men. Next early sign is vomiting and diarrhea. Yeah, if someone is undergoing diarrhea or vomiting that is not being responding to treatment, then the person should consider himself being tested for HIV. Yeah, vomiting and consistent diarrhea is also an early sign of HIV in men. Yeah, and another important sign is joint pain and aching muscle, because young people rarely experience joint pain at an early stage. So when you start experiencing joint pain or aching muscle, maybe even around the armpit, your groin, so it is also an early sign of HIV. So it is advised that you get tested to know your status. Also, this should I say sore or ulcer in the mouth, it's also a sign of early HIV in men. So if you're experiencing this sore or ulcer in the mouth that comes and go, it keeps you occurring, then you should get yourself tested of HIV to know your status. And the last point I want to talk about is night sweating. Yeah, one of the early signs of HIV, it's night sweating. Yeah, like this frequent sweating, mostly at night. It's another sign of HIV in men. So if you're not experiencing all of the signs before, and all of a sudden you started experiencing one of the sign or more, please, it is advised you go to the hospital, go to the laboratory and get yourself tested, because the earlier the better. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so it will not escalate to AIDS, because at that level of HIV it can be managed properly. So thank you for staying with me, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, do well to subscribe, click and share this video. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day.